Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and charger so charging works reliably. First, confirm your iPhone supports wireless charging, MagSafe or Qi, and pick a certified charger. MagSafe delivers up to 15W for compatible models. Once done, remove thick cases, metal plates, or oversized mounts because they block energy transfer. Then place the charger on a flat, stable surface, and set your iPhone down with the camera array roughly centered over the pad, so alignment and power transfer start immediately. Next, focus on alignment and monitoring to ensure efficient charging. You should center the iPhone over the charger. MagSafe snaps to help. A Qi pad often has a faint ring or indicator to guide placement. Make sure the lock screen shows the charging icon and observe the charger's LED to confirm power flow. If you expect long charging sessions, enable optimized battery charging in settings to limit time at 100% and extend battery lifespan. Keep the phone ventilated to avoid thermal throttling. To complete the process, lift the phone when the desired battery level is reached and disconnect the charger when idle to save energy. If the phone doesn't charge, reseat it and confirm the case isn't too thick or magnetized. Try another USB cable or power adapter because the pad needs consistent input. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates. Software fixes can restore charging behavior. Finally, inspect the charger and cable for damage and replace faulty components to resolve hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.